DAOs are one of the most interesting recent developments in crypto. They offer a new way to manage products, create digital groups, and build communities online. And that may just be scratching the surface of what DAOs can become in the future. This video will break down the concept, explore how DAOs may evolve moving forward, and help you understand the pros and cons of using them. Let's get into it. What is a DAO? DAO is an acronym that stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. It's a new way of distributing ownership, management, and control over a group, company, or organization. The key difference between a DAO and other entity structures is that a DAO has no central point of control. Each member of the DAO has a say in how it's run according to the voting principles that were established when the DAO was created. Some smaller DAOs give each member a vote and go with the majority's decisions. Others tie votes to token or NFT ownership. But this DAO governance model allows whales to move the protocol or project in whatever ways they wish. DAO use cases. DAOs can be used for many different things. Today, they're primarily used as a system for decentralized governance of cryptocurrency projects and investment groups. For example, a DAO for a decentralized NFT marketplace may help to decide how that marketplace evolves in the future. Or, a group of experienced investors may come together and decide to create a DAO that pools their funds and makes investment decisions based on the majority's choices. DAOs are also a really powerful tool for fundraising. For example, the Constitutional DAO was recently put together in order to raise funds to purchase a copy of the United States Constitution. These kinds of single-purpose DAOs may become increasingly common in the future as a new tool for gathering resources and interest around a common cause. In the future, there may be even massive companies or cryptocurrency protocols that use DAOs to manage their operations. There could also be DAOs that build NFT projects through majority rule or real-world businesses through voting. There's really no limit on what DAOs could be in the future. They can be used for anything that involves bridging people together under a common cause and managing projects in decentralized ways. Pros and cons of DAOs. DAOs have become popular because they have a lot of benefits. They offer a decentralized way to control major projects while giving individuals more of a say in how those projects proceed. They also help to build strong communities of active participants. But DAOs aren't perfect. There are some downsides to using them that should be considered before choosing this form of structure for an entity. For example, DAOs tend to make decisions very slowly. They have to conduct votes for all major decisions and problems. These votes must give everyone in the DAO enough time to research the topic and vote according to their interests. All of that takes time. Additionally, DAOs have a reputation for being inefficient. This is because they tend to spend a lot of time discussing every decision that they need to make. This ensures that every angle of the decision is thought about deeply, but it also means that a DAO will find it difficult to keep up with a centralized competitor. The bottom line on DAOs. DAOs are a really interesting new way to structure an entity. They encourage group participation by offering shared ownership in a way that doesn't rely on any centralized authority. The use cases of DAOs are just getting started as well. It's impossible to say what the future will bring, but it's clear that DAOs will exist in one way or another. Future DAOs may find ways to mitigate the issues with speed and inefficiency that modern DAOs experience, or they might continue struggling with these problems, and we see DAOs remain a niche way to organize an entity for a specific purpose as time moves on. We'll just have to wait and see what happens together to get our answer. What do you think about DAOs? Are they the organizational model of the future, or a waste of time for projects with ambition? Comment your answer below to let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.